It's 3 for Thursday, and stocks flat as eyes turn to China on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily, starting right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Thursday, January 23rd, 2020. I'm Joshua Stark. Major stock indexes ended little changed Wednesday after an early rebound rally faded in the final minutes of trading. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite eked out tiny gains, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished slightly lower. Gains in technology, financial, and healthcare stocks outweighed losses in industrial, energy, real estate, and other sectors. Investors had their eye on international efforts by health authorities to monitor and contain a deadly virus outbreak in China that has spread to the U.S. and 3 other countries.
Powers Not Included, the comic book podcast. A podcast about comics, games, toys, and everything geek. They talk about Deadpool, Deathstroke, Deathlock, The Night of the Living Dead, and The Walking Dead. Why the fixation on dead stuff? Find out when you subscribe to Powers Not Included on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Podbean.
Welcome to your 3 for Thursday, traders. First up is a provider of data analysis software for multinational and domestic enterprises and government agencies in China. GridSum Holdings, symbol GSUM, starts at $122. Next is a company that engages in the management and franchising of restaurants. It operates through the following segments: Pizza Inn franchising, Pi 5 franchising, and company-owned restaurants. Rave Restaurant Group, symbol RAVE, starts the day at $164. Last is a biopharmaceutical company that focuses on acquiring, developing, and commercializing clinical stage drugs for dermatological and gastrointestinal indications with clear unmet medical needs. EDSA, symbol EDSA, starts at $336.
Research, fundamental experience, technical analysis, statistical probability. It's what sets us apart, and it's what will get you to stop watching and start living. Every day we track over 8,700 stocks to give you a list for over 131 disciplines and suggested entry and exit prices for each, not to mention how much we expect it to move on a daily basis. Stop watching and start living. Get started today at arbitragetrade.com.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.